Today we're going to make taco seasoning. I've got it right here. You don't need a fancy container. I just reused an Old Spice container that I had that was empty, and I mixed up the ingredients and stuck them in there. Now I have it on hand. I don't have to buy that prepackaged taco seasoning at the grocery store anymore because I always have this in my cupboard. It's way better and you can tailor it to your needs. Mine is a kid-friendly version with less pepper, which is really nice. Let's get to it.
These are your basic ingredients. There's chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, onion powder, oregano, garlic powder, and red peppers. Plus, we're going to use salt and pepper. The first ingredient is chili powder. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of chili powder, but you could use up to 4 tablespoons. Next, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of cumin. And I'm going to make a mess of it here, so you don't have to do that part. But that's what I'm going to do. Kitchens are messy sometimes. Our next ingredient is smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika if you want, or if that's all you have, but smoked paprika is a little bit better. So it's going to be 2 teaspoons of that. Next, we need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. In my kid-friendly version, I only use a pinch of pepper, but you can use 2 teaspoons if you'd like. If you like things spicy, use red pepper flakes to taste. We don't use any in my kid-friendly version, but you should if you like it.
All right, now I'm just going to mix it up. And there we go. We've got a kid-friendly taco seasoning that you can use on tacos, casseroles, any type of Mexican dish that calls for a taco seasoning. Instead of buying that one from the store, use this. All right, check out the next recipe of Mexican casserole. It's a chicken Mexican casserole that we need this spice for, and I will be posting that next. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn how to make my chicken Mexican casserole, then check out the next recipe. It's a great recipe to make when you need to feed the family and you just have things from like your cupboard, because it just takes canned beans and canned corn, some frozen chicken, a few other things that you usually will have on hand. At least I always have on hand. Anyway, all right, thanks, bye. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.